things are just not happening the way I want them to happen. I can't find a job, or I've lost a job, or I can't find a husband, or I can't find a wife, or for example, I don't have enough money, I don't have a place, I really struggling, my health is just not getting better, I can't find what's wrong with me, I don't know, things are just not right, I don't have friends, I've got problems with the people around me, I really am facing so much of difficulty and difficulty upon difficulty, and the Almighty just seems like He doesn't even care for me, and I don't know, I've been calling out to Him and I don't know why He's not responding, and I'm just struggling, and I think I've just had enough. Keep working hard towards achieving what you firmly believe is best for you, and don't lose hope. Don't lose hope ever. Keep going. And if the Almighty has written that you're going to have it, you will have it. If not, He will open other doors in the process.
Allah will make you go through some very difficult experiences, and you will not be able to see what good can possibly come from it. You will not be seeing what good comes from it. But Allah is fully aware that whatever experiences you're going through is actually good for you. That's still an act of kindness. Your sickness is still an act of kindness. Your terrible experience is still an act of kindness. If somebody humiliated you, that's still an act of kindness. If you were betrayed, that's still an act of kindness. Not from them, but still from Allah. There's something good in it for you. There's something good in it for you that you cannot understand.
Nothing is impossible for Allah. Nothing's impossible for Him. You ask Him, He will give you. And keep on asking Him and repeat it, and don't worry about saying it again and again and crying and asking. Don't lose hope. When the time is right, He will give it to you. And He is so merciful. He says, if I know in my knowledge that this is not good for you, I'll keep it away from you through my blessing. And if I know that something else is better for you, I'll give you the other thing through my blessing. So just trust me. Trust Him. What hasn't He given you? He's blessed you with so much.